Hey friends, this is Samsung Fold, and we are testing it with shockwave. Let's see what will happen. This is perfectly fine phone, working phone, in good condition. And now we are testing it with shockwave. We will explode it and let's see what will happen. And this is worth near about $2,000, and in Indian rupees it is around 1.5 lakh. Let's go and test it. It's perfectly working. Now we will see what happens. Place it. Okay, it's placed. Okay, then this is the phone after shockwave test, and there is no any visible damage, and phone is working flawlessly. So okay, we'll see camera is working fine. Okay, there is no any visible damage and phone is working fine. Let's see first display. Okay, this is also working fine.
Now find out after second shockwave test, there are some visible damage on the screen, and these are some small cracks over here. Yeah, so display is working fine maybe, but working fine, but there are some small cracks on display because of shockwave. Yeah, these are some small cracks after explosion. So after explosion, shockwave can damage your phone, but there are small cracks. Okay, and